After you signing in to your TurboTax account under turbotax.intuit.com, you want to look at the top left of your screen and make sure you are clicking on this Tax Home button. After that, you want to scroll all the way down and you will see this, your tax return and documents, and you want to click on them, which will open up this window, and on top of it, you may choose on which year you want to have an access or view your tax return. For example, I am going to choose on year 2025, and after you choose the year, you may click right here on Amend or change your chosen year return. This little tab will pop up, then click on Amend using TurboTax Online button right here. On this window, make sure to click on the IRS or State Contacted Me. This way, you only change your state return and not your federal. Click on Continue. On here, click on something else, and then tap on Continue again. Select your state return and click on Continue. This screen then will appear, and you may tap on this Amend button at the right side of your screen. Hope your amendments are accepted smoothly. If you still have any question, just comment down below, and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.